You know those lazy Sunday mornings when everything seems to go slower? When all you want is to enjoy doing absolutely nothing? Well, that's also your family's favorite time to show up for lunch. Don't worry, our mission today is to rescue you with an easy and delicious roasted chicken recipe. We will prepare delicious roasted chicken breasts with potatoes and orange gravy. Let's start by seasoning 4 chicken breasts with salt and pepper, garlic, chopped onions, and ragapur or lime juice. Cook about 1 kilo of potatoes, cut it in half and with the skin on, in salted water until they are tender but still firm. Drain the water and season the potatoes while they are still hot with salt, pepper, and a generous amount of olive oil. Distribute the chicken breasts in a buttered, refractory dish. Add the potatoes and arrange them with the cutted part upwards. Into the oven it goes, medium heat, for half an hour. Meanwhile, it's time to go to the orchard, take some oranges and prepare 1 cup of fresh orange juice that will be added to the chicken breasts. The acidity of the juice will extract the caramelized bits of chicken and will become an excellent gravy. After another half hour in the oven, our chicken breasts are ready to be enjoyed.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you can go home now.
Uh-oh. Pitanga,